Hey everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI and I want to show you my adorable kitchen in the box stand mixer. This mixer is so easy to use. I love that it has these metal attachments that are really well made. I love it for my kitchen. I love the size. It's big enough to make cookies, to make cake, to make bread, you name it. And these attachments actually reach the bottom of your bowl, so you're not going to have a lot of stuff stuck down there. So here I want to show you how it works. I'm going to make some brownies. Here I have my dry ingredients in the bowl, and so to prevent all my flour from coming out, it comes with this really handy splash guard that you just push up on top with those little rubber stoppers. Then attach your mixing wand and lower it in, and you are ready to mix. I'm going to put it on medium, and you can see how well that splash guard works to keep everything inside of the bowl. And it has an opening to add ingredients as you go. Then I add my liquid ingredients. This is such a great mixer. It's very sturdy. It's not cheaply made, and it has strong suction cups on the bottom so that it doesn't move around. And you can see the size is perfect for traveling, nice and compact. And that's my point of view.